So the sun's a planet, Tails. Okay, what is with you with the space thing and saying that the world's flat and then the sun's a planet? Forget it. I'm gonna go turn on the TV and see what something new's on. Hey you! Yeah, you watching this segment? Do you want to go camping but you are affected by the coronavirus? Well, come down to Cheeky's camping set. We have leaves, we have sticks, we have tons of things to make your camping trip as smooth as possible. So, if you want to come down to Cheeky's retirement thing. I don't know what I'm saying about. Just call this number. 01111111111111111. Should we call up? Yeah, I'm gonna get my phone. Well, Creta, can you just pretend that we made it to the campsite? Okay, thank you. Hello, can I please get 9 tickets? Sure. That would be $5. Oh, that's pretty cheap. That's a bargain. Okay, here you go. Why, thank you. You just put that up your butt? No. Alright, now your ticket is in there. In the piggy bank? Yes, in the piggy bank. Okay. Food! Damn it. Alright, you can go ahead. Okay, thanks. I don't know why we are going camping. Camping stinks. Oh, shut up, Knuckles. Enjoy the thing. Well, I am so excited about going camping. Hey, the bluff. Isn't it so exciting about going camping as a family? Yeah, Mario. It's such a great idea. Okay, let's go. It's been so good to be outside in a while. I can't believe I broke out the chain. Hey, Sonic, be quiet. A camping trip, you said? Well, it's always better than to destroy Sonic for a camping trip. Yahoo! Alright guys, this is where I set camp. Shadow and Knuckles, you go look for firewood. Tails and the rest of the gang, you stay here and make sure we don't get spotted. Fine, me and Shadow will look for some firewood. This won't be fun. Hey Knuckles, look, this is some firewood. Oh yeah, let's go. Huh? Great job, Metal Sonic. Eggman? I thought you, were in jail. It's called Robot Help Dweebs. Oh, I'll show you. Oh, come on! There was so much more wood. Well, better take this to Sonic and see if he appreciates it. Alright. Sonic, Eggman's on the attack. What? He's in jail. No, he busted out with Metal Sonic. Alright, get the firewood. I told you to get more. Metal Sonic took them. Okay, I'm going after Eggman. You stay here and keep the fire going. Okay, we'll set this up here. Alright, that's good. So, a few pieces there. Got some more, yeah. Some more pieces. And I believe that's a good fire. Oh ho ho, we're gonna have a nice fire, isn't that right, Metal Sonic? I'm glad you agree with me. Huh? Oh no, not again! Metal Sonic, revenge me! You saved me, Knuckles! Not just me. I've got you now. Don't worry, Sonic, we're here. Yes, Sonic, you don't have to worry a thing. Yahoo! Wow, you guys, you really helped me. Speaking of which, Guys, please don't look at me that way. Guys! Please stop! Please stop! Please stop!